Oh yeah. Oh, rip that line, baby. All right, guys. I'm back, baby. Oh yeah. Well, thank you guys for coming back and checking the channel out again. I know it's been a long time since I posted, but I've been kind of tied up on dry land. And that is not a good place to be. Oh, rip that line, baby. Come on, take it on. Oh, wow. Anyway, this is so much fun. You guys been asking me where I've been. Well, truth is I've been kind of busy working on my sister's house, trying to get it, still get it fixed from that hurricane last year. Here we are in hurricane season again, and she's not back in it from last year. So, but she's getting close, and it's looking really good, and it's gonna be awesome when she gets in there here shortly. So, but I decided to take some time off. Well, I had to bale some hay for my cows and take care of my own business for a while, and I said, well, I'm gonna try to make a video for my guys fishing with that chicken of the sea down south lure with about a 1/8 jig head, and just come up in these flats which don't have as much water as I'd like, but hey, it's enough to cover this guy up, so I guess it's enough water here. If you get too much water here, then the main boats can get up here. So nice fish, very nice. All right. But yeah, I just oh yeah, he's a good one. He's a good one. Too good. I'm gonna turn him back. Oh, I didn't forgot what was our deal? Over 24 or over 26? I don't know. But easy guy. Come on. It's not the side of the boat I normally like to work on it. Nice fish. Okay. Yeah, he just took a bite over that rascal. Well, let's just lay that down for a second. I gotta get my old thing on the boat. Oh well. Actually, he's not as long as it's hard to say. He's about 26. 26. I'm gonna let you go. Being you're the first. Good fish anyway. I caught some little ones, but bye bye guy. You see, he's still got a lot of water over his head, so there's plenty of water here. He's lucky he ain't going to the house. Oh, I see a fin sticking out of the water, or tail. Surely he knows I'm here. But all right guys, we're gonna move on to the next one and see if we can't do that again. That was a lot of fun. I do want to get a couple for the house, so I'd like to get me one around 21 inches for the house. I like them smaller ones a little better, but might not be all that picky. I probably should have put him on a stringer, but it's early and we just barely started. So anyway, let's move on to the next one, guys. See you in a bit. All right, guys, what we got here? Well, got us a trout. All right. Not what I expected back here in the marshes, but Please settle down. I don't want to bump you on the boat. I've been seeing some redfish. I don't want to. Settle down, guys. Settle down. Something up there. Oh, he's swimming right to me. That ain't good. Yeah, he ain't gonna cooperate. This guy's gonna be a pain. I'm sure he's too little. Well, he's barely too little. But he's 15. He's 15. But he's gonna go back. See, there was it right there. I knew it was getting over there too close to me. There's something. What is that swimming down bank? Come on. Come on. What is that? I don't know. It might have been a big mullet. Alright guys, let's move on to the next one here. There's just so much work in that bank down there. That was terrible. The wind caught it and blew it off the bank. I wanted to be a little closer. Yeah. But don't throw it up so high. Let that wind catch it. But alright guys. I can't just put all this junk in here. I gotta cut it. Oh, something. Bust some water over there. Alright, we will bring you back in a minute. Oh guys. Got me a mullet. Oh god, that was painful. Look like. Sorry about that. Hooked him in a eyeball by accident. Alright, well, let's move on to the next one. Oh guys, that was kind of a delayed pull. I seen two of them swimming there and I throwed it and they were kind of swimming to me. And oh yeah, not gonna horse him in too much. Oh guys, y'all missed the last fish. I thought I had the camera on and it wasn't, but it was a blind cast. I just came to a point and I casted by the point and he grabbed it. This one was a sight cast. I'm not gonna horse him too much. I got a knot in my string. Oh, and I told you all about it a while ago, but hey, guess what? The camera's off. But oh, I can't seem to get the knot out. I could cut it and tie it back, but it doesn't look like the knot's cutting in too bad. I'll deal with it when I get home. But we're not gonna horse him a lot. Nice fish though. Nice fish. And by the way guys, I am in some pretty serious marshes back here. I ain't never been back this far, and if you see this video, that means I made it out of here. And if you don't, maybe they'll play it on my eulogy when they find me years from now. No, I got my GPS going and we'll see if it's gonna tell me how to get out of here. But oh yeah, a nice fish right there. I think he's gonna join that one. Yeah, he's not real big. He's just a nice keeper. I need to get about 22, just like this other guy was, 22. But I'm not gonna have y'all watch me do all that. Let's take a look at you, guy. Just a nice little eater fish. And well, just I was telling you a while ago, but there again the camera was off. You know, there's my little knot. It's just a regular knot, but I can't seem to untie it. And I was going to show y'all. Let me go ahead and put this thing on there. I'll hang out a minute. Y'all ain't had a chance to listen to me lately. Oh, this guy is not that cooperating. But I was going to tell you the way I connect my lines together. Some guys have been asking, so I was just going to let you know. It's a FG knot. And anyway, old Salt Strong, who puts videos out on YouTube and wherever, I guess. I found him on Facebook, but I guess he has YouTube videos too. Anyway, he shows how to tie it. It's kind of a hard knot to tie when you haven't ever tied it, but man, I sure like it. It fits through them guides so smooth. I used to always use a double uni knot, which works, but a double uni is sometimes it hangs up. But guys, I don't know if y'all see that, but that's the FG, and I have caught a lot of fish and it hadn't came off yet. And I don't think it will once you got it set, where if you have to make sure it's seated into your leader really good. And being this is just not no expensive leader, it's just 30-pound test from Walmart. It digs into it because it's a little soft, and man, it works good. But all right, well, that's the third keeper I caught today. That's not bad. I hadn't been here real long. And so I guess I'm trying out my new glasses. I got me some new sunglasses, some just regular old polarized sunglasses with my prescription on them. And so now I can see down in the water a little better, maybe. Oh, boy, this looks fishy out here, guys. I wish all y'all were here. We could probably get us enough for a good fish fry. Alright guys, enough yakking. Let's move to the next one. Okay guys, I just seen that point right there. I said, why not throw to it? And it paid off. He might not even be a keeper, but he is. He's barely, which should be good. I'm headed back now, so I'm not really backtracking. I don't even know if I can get out this way, but I know what direction to go in these marshes, and I'm hoping it'll kind of get me out of here. Come in, guy. Don't you go. All right, get over here. I think you see, I can see some camp houses over there, and I know where I'm at. So that's kind of where I gotta head, that direction. But looking at my GPS here, that's not. I went in through some of this. Oh, it's all fun and games, guys. You can look at Google Earth and you can find out. Oh, he swallowed that rascal. Not too deep though, I can get it. But yeah, you can look at Google Earth and you look at these marshes and they're fine. The only thing is that was before Harvey, and Harvey changed stuff here. Not not everything, but there are some cuts that are cut through that weren't cut through. So when you go looking at Google Earth and you try to figure it out, you're like, I don't know. I mean, sometimes you can't even recognize it just from things. But all right, well, yeah, come on, guy. All right, let's see if you're gonna be number 3. I would, if you're 20, I would take you. Oh, but you're not. You're not, guy. You're 19 and a half or something. All right, get out of here. Oh, we got a long ways to go before we get back. We probably run across something. It just got cloudy and I can't see through the water that good. So I'm just kind of blindly casting the stuff I can see, like points and disturbed water. Guys, that's what I do for most of my fishing. You really gotta look. You gotta pay attention to every little detail to be successful this kind of fishing. I mean, if you're just gonna pull up to a point and throw you some dead bait out and kick back and enjoy yourself, well, when something comes by, it'll grab it. But if you're gonna do the hunting thing like I do, I mean, you just creep along and you look at disturbed water, and these points are really good to normally try to cast over by. A guy asked me what a pocket was. I started to write it out, asking, tell him what a pocket was, and it may be not common knowledge, and he may be from a different country even, or you guys may never heard it from this part of the world. But we used to always say it back in the commercial fishing days. We had pockets we fished and points. But anyway, a pocket I would consider is, say, here's the point where it comes right here to a point. But then how that bank goes in and makes a little cove, that's what I'm calling a pocket. So just in case you're watching, I didn't type it out because I couldn't figure out how to tell it to you. It's just the indentation in the bank that's, back in that long straight bank is okay if you find a school of fish. But when you're fishing what we call stragglers, and that's what most of us do. I mean, we get lucky every once in a while find a good school, but back commercial fishing, Green Lake always was noted for points and little pockets and that would hold a certain amount of fish no matter what. And you go there and you could catch a few. And so when you're kayaking along, you can't afford to just wait till you find a giant school that might be working a long bank. You work your points, because normally 1 or 2 fish will hang on the point, and nowadays all you're able to really keep is so little. You get your limit just by picking up stragglers. Now, so that's why I always like to hit the points. Now out here in this big marsh here, there you might find a school in a big old group out here in the middle, but you get one shot at them and then they kind of spook off. All right, guys, enough of my talking. Let's go get another one. All right, guys, I think I'm gonna wrap it up now. Every time I say I'm gonna wrap it up, I see another little fish. That's mullet right there, but there was a little red that ran off here. Yeah, mullet, big mullet running in the water. But I think the video is getting a little long, and I've been playing around with some redfish on this bank, but it seems like it's just really hard unless you pitch it right at them because there's so much grass that's all the way to the top of the water that kind of keeps you from doing any good. But oh well, I've done pretty good today for the little while I've been here, but it's starting to get hot and windy, so I think it's time for me to head to the house. So I think I'll see y'all next time. God bless.